In 2010, the council sent out a survey to every household asking them about their local area. From that extensive consultation, we drew up 14 village areas and plans. On Saturday the 20th of February, we'll be creating a pop-up living room in Hampton Square to talk to Hampton and Hampton Hill people. Susan Chappell, Community Links officers, and I will be there from 12 to 2:30, and there'll be a drawing table for the children. Residents can find out more by joining our new Hampton and Hampton Hill Facebook groups and registering their interest on our Facebook event. Hampton and Hampton Hill residents can also join the village planning conversation on Twitter by using the hashtag #VillagePlan. For more information on village planning, visit our website to stay up to date with all the latest developments, including our online consultation, upcoming drop-in sessions and nearby walkabouts.